Oh, keychain. Konnichiwa. Ganda ng keychain, oh. Kasi sticker, oh. Meron pa. Konnichiwa.
So finally, this is the product itself, and it came from a sealed box, and this is the plastic.
Warranty card.
It
Then,
has a warranty card, and yeah,
scratch.
and you can win this one. So it has the cord, and it came with this adapter, and same with this one.
Ay, nakalagay na.
There.
Eto.
So this is for the lights, and this one is for the adapter for PC and laptop. There. Let's open it. So it's super sealed, and it has a paper bag like this, and yeah. So this is the product itself. So yeah. This is the headphone. It has the mic, and later on we will do a sound check, and of course the light itself, because it has a LED lights over here. It has a headband, and I think this one is adjustable, and this one is for the mute option. And yeah, I can't wait to use this one on my work, and hoping for the best, and I will make the most out of it very soon. Thank you.